Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to apply lip color in Photoshop so your photos can pop with vibrant lips. So first, open the image you want to work on in Photoshop. Make sure it's a high resolution image for the best results. Now, choose this layer here and then click this one. Create new fill or adjustment layer and select solid color. Now please select the color of the lips you want to achieve. So let's go with red and click OK. Now here in the drop down menu, please choose multiply. Once you've selected the multiply, please click this white image here and then press on your keyboard Ctrl plus I. Now after that, make sure the foreground color here is white and then click on brush tool. So let's zoom into the lips. And then carefully select the lips of your image. Once you're done selecting the lips, please click on this layer here, right click and then select blending options. Now in the underlying layer, edit the slider here like that, or you can click the alt to add additional editor or cursor for the slider, just like that, for example. Now click on OK once you're satisfied with it, and then we will then check the image now. And that's it. You now know how to apply lip color in Photoshop. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your photos and make your lips stand out beautifully. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lip colors and styles to achieve the look you want. Your creativity is your only limit. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to apply lip color in Photoshop. See you on my next video.